In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating KDP book cover using Canva 2025. Whether you're a writer preparing to publish your first book, or someone curious about book design, this guide is crafted just for beginners who want to unlock their creativity and design skills. We'll walk through the process step by step, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, navigate to Canva's homepage. If you're unfamiliar, Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool perfect for bringing your visual ideas to life, regardless of your design experience. Once you're on the site, head to the search bar located prominently at the top of the page, type in book cover to get started, and hit enter. This action brings up a diverse array of book cover templates which are specifically designed for various genres and styles, catering to different moods and themes. With the options now in front of you, it's time to select a template that truly resonates with your book's theme. Take your time browsing through the available options until you find one that catches your eye. This is crucial as the template sets the foundation for your book cover's visual identity, so choose something that aligns with your book's narrative or subject matter. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it. You'll see a button labelled Customize this template. Clicking this will open up a new canvas for unlimited design possibilities. This is where you can infuse your personal touch and customize the design to match your vision. Here, you're not just a writer or publisher, but an artist bringing their creation to life. As your template is now open and ready for customization, let's focus on the text. Click on any text area to edit and begin making it uniquely yours. Enter your book's title, your name, or any other text that you want on the cover. Remember to think about fonts and colors that align well with the overall aesthetic of your book. Feeling creative? Let's add some style by incorporating elements. Click on the Elements tab located on the left sidebar. Here you can browse through a plethora of graphics, shapes and illustrations, adding any of these to enhance your cover's visual appeal. Whether you're adding a subtle graphic or a bold illustration, these elements should complement your design without overwhelming it. And just like that, you've designed a book cover ready to capture the imagination of your readers. Remember, making an engaging book cover is about balancing creativity with clarity. Your readers should be drawn in by the design, not confused by it. Experiment, have fun, and most importantly, let your personality shine through the design. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, simply save and download your work. Now you're ready to publish your book with a cover that speaks volumes. Excitedly looking forward to seeing all the beautiful covers you're going to create.